It's Memphis and Knox.
Doing an unboxing video.
Yeah.
Alright, so we have the August 2020 Pro Series Mystery Tackle Box. Alright, we're going to open this thing up. Hold on, I gotta find my knife. We have the Dale Earnhardt knife.
No. Handy dandy.
Yeah, the handy dandy. We're going to cut it open. Knox, let's look at it. Ooh. Dang. Alright, what do you want to do first? Pick one out, Knox.
This one.
No, we're saving that one for last. Okay, pick one. Alright. Hold on, we gotta find which one it is. This is the... Which one is it, Knox? This is the... Okay. The Fly Go-Go Minnow. Here you go, show it to him.
Here's the Fly Go-Go Minnow.
And that comes in at $3.49.
$3.49.
And here's a little card that tells you what you got. You got the Dibble Tips and Tricks. Hold on.
Oh!
Hold on, I gotta close the knife. We'll get it quick enough. Okay, you wanna do this one next?
Yeah.
This is the, hold on. This is the, this is the Lake Lunkers Crappie Crank, coming in at $6.49. It's a little crappie lure.
Let me show the next one then.
Alright, hold on. We gotta put all the stuff out here. Stuff right there. Okay, you wanna do this one next?
Mm-hmm.
What the heck? I've never seen this. Hold on, we gotta find which one it is. Okay, it's a Lucky John Micro Grub. Show it to him.
Micro Gub.
Turn it around so you can see it. Look. It's the Micro Grub. That's coming in at $2.99. Then we got the Okay, next thing is Eagle Claw Double Barb Sea Guard hooks. The Eagle Claw and red Eagle Claw hooks. Then next thing, let's see, what is this? There's no way this is the most expensive thing. Is it the XBs? Hold on. Let's do this one next. Ooh, I need one of these. This is the Reaction Strike Egg Barrel Spin. It's a little rooster tail type deal. A little spinner bait. Kinda. Watch out. That's coming in at $4.29. Next thing is little, hold on. Move your hands so I can see them. I don't know what to call it. This is the oh, there it is. Biospawn Exopod. It's like a little trailer for a jig or spinnerbait or something. That's coming in at $4.99. Then we got the Loco 10 crankbait. It's a little crankbait. That's coming in at, what is that? $7.99. Last thing, coming in at $9.99 is the little Bagley Balsa XB. It's a tiny crankbait. And that's about it. We got the, tells you how to use it and kind of where to use it. And you got this little booklet. Another little thing how to use it. Oh, and this is the best thing out of the whole box. The sticker. Little Catchco sticker. It's pretty nice. And that is the August 2020 Pro Series Mystery Tackle Box. So this is a closer look at what we got this month. This is the Bagley, whatever you call it. Yeah, the most expensive one. It's a little crankbait. Let me get it out. Maybe.
Here's the most expensive thing. Is a moth guy. A moth.
I like the color of it. It's more natural color. It's like a little bluegill color.
Dang, that's a cool sticker.
Little orange belly.
You can put that on Moto.
Then we got the Loco 10 crankbait. This is the $7.99 one. Another little natural shad color.
And here's a moth guy.
And it dives 5 to 10 feet. It's ½ ounce and 3 inches.
Dang. This thing
Then
is sharp.
another one is the crappie bait.
On ground.
Even smaller. And it goes. Depth is 1 to 3 feet. There's that one.
We see the other one.
Hold on.
We see that one.
Then this is the X Pod. It's like a little trailer you can Texas rig it. Little plastic things. These will flap back and forth. It's a little black with blue flake. There's that one. Then we got the egg barrel spin.
Bait.
Oh my gosh. Got the spinner type deal.
Got the crankbait, guys.
Got 2 little spinner blades on it.
And a crankbait.
And a treble hook.
And a crankbait.
Pretty hefty. Cast that pretty far. And then
and here
put that down before you get hooking yourself. And then here's a little minnows.
And here's the handy dandy one.
Has a little zip so you close it back.
Here. Look, guys.
Very small.
Glass iron.
Very, very small. A little orange with silver flake. Then the
here, guys, look.
micro grub. These are super tiny.
And this is what my Bubba got.
Super, super tiny. I think these are for like bluegill or little fish. Very, very tiny.
These are the most.
And then it's like a green pumpkin with like a red flake, kind of. And you got the eagle claw hooks. Nothing much about them.
Here's these 2 guys. Here's these 2 guys. And these 2.
Pretty cool. And that's about all we've got in this box. We'll probably do another one of these next month. Put everything down, Knox. Well, we'll see you later. Say bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.